In view of the announcement of the transformational changes in recruitment procedure of Jcos OR, Indian Army on Tuesday appealed to the candidates not to fall prey to touts. Brigadier Harpreet Singh, Deputy Director General Recruiting for North-Eastern States of Indian Army, informed that in Stage 1, all candidates who have registered and applied online on Joining Indian Army.nic.in JIA website will undergo common entrance exam. In Stage 2, the shortlisted candidates will be called for recruitment rally at locations decided by respective AROs, where they will undergo physical fitness test and physical measurement test. Finally, in Stage 3, the selected candidates will undergo a medical test at rally locations. The online registration of JIA website is open from the 16th Feb 2023 to the 15th March 2023.
Exam as the first stage. Online written exam. The common entrance exam will now be online. Candidates who are successful in that will then undergo a recruitment rally, and the candidates who are successful in this will then go for a medical, and then they will be recruited as agniveers. See, the online registration on the Join Indian Army website is open from 16th of February to 15th of March.
And now here is the weather report.